HelpMeWithStats.com was used to create this tutorial that can help us understand a display for a 2x3 ANOVA. This display shows a 2x3 interaction effect between gender, 2 levels, and family size, 3 levels, on happiness. The mean of the 3 levels on the x-axis, family size, are indicated by the larger blue and red circles. In contrast to the 2x2 displays, the blue and red circles are usually not on top of the blue and red lines. This is because the mean value of 3 levels is not equal to the second level of the variable. We can see that the larger blue circle is not in the same position as the smaller blue circle beneath it. In addition, the larger red circle is not in the same position as the smaller red circle. For this data, the mean value for women across all 3 levels of family size, the large blue circle, is higher than the mean value for women with 2 children, the smaller blue circle. Similarly, the mean value for men across all 3 levels of family size, the large red circle, is lower than the mean value for men with 2 children, the smaller red circle. The other feature of this 2x3 display is that there are 3 means for family size, indicated by the 3 blue/red squares. As we can see, the mean for 1 child on the left is higher than the mean for 2 children in the center, and the mean for 2 children in the center is higher than the mean for 3 children on the right. For more help with statistics, HelpMeWithStats.com is a free website that has more than 70 tutorials, as videos, or as self-paced slideshows. You can also learn how to conduct more than 60 statistical analyses by watching videos that show complete solutions, or by working through an unlimited number of examples using the step-by-step problem solvers. Finally, you can access a comprehensive stats textbook with more than 685 review questions. Thanks for watching. If you find these resources valuable, please share with your friends, teachers, and professors.